First thing for seeding arugula is that you need to set your seed roller and your gear setting on your Jang for the correct spacing that you want. Today we're going to go for 1-inch spacing, which means that we're using an X24 roller with a gear setting on the Jang of, I believe, 10 in the rear and 14 in the front. That gives us a 1/2-inch spacing. So we just got to take the caps off of our seeder so that we can put our seed in. The variety that we use on the farm is Esme from Johnny's Silken Seeds. And I'm going to distribute half of this into each of the seed hoppers. We have a 3-row seeder here. On a 30-inch bed, we're going to seed 6 rows. So I'm going to do 2 passes side by side with the Jang. And as soon as we're done seeding, we're going to get it row covered, and we're going to be watering this crop with a sprinkler. It should take 40 days roughly till we have mature crop for harvest, but that'll be depending on weather. Alright, let's get this is the variety that we use here on the farm. It's called Esme. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to have it on a very tight seed spacing. So we've got a 3-row seeder here. We're going to seed 6 rows on 30-inch